filled with fun, masti, excitement, and one more thing. I have heard that the entire Siemens family is has a lot of potential to have a lot of fun here today. So this is what my team has got a lot of gifts to be given away during the event. We're going to have a couple of activities, games, interactions, and I'm going to see how many of you actually take those prizes away from me. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Gavin Phillips, and joining me here today.
My name is Tanya Steves. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you gathered here on behalf of Siemens to this edition of the Core Awards Night, aka Utsav. I request all the dignitaries to please come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony.
I request all you gentlemen to please join us here for our lighting of the lamp. With this thought, let us begin our lamp lighting ceremony to pay tribute to Goddess Saraswati, the symbol of learning and knowledge. Thank you very, very much, gentlemen. Thank you very much.
I request all of you to please do not go back to your seats and please come up on stage. We have some very special mementos for all of you, special guests.
So, gentlemen, may I request all of you all to please join us on stage. Can we give them a huge round of applause? All of us who are sitting right in the audience. Can we give all the gentlemen a huge, huge round of applause? Can I see you putting your hands together? Wow, I like it. I like it. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we're appreciating all our guests who have removed their valuable time to be here with us at such an amazing event. And we're appreciating this evening by giving them a memento. And for all of us in the audience, the Siemens family, may I request all of you, please put your hands together one more time. Can I see you putting your hands together, all sitting right here? Let me assure you, this evening is going to be a fun evening, an evening with punches and entertainment and masti. I'm really meaning what I'm saying because I've seen the acts, I've seen the energy, and I'm looking forward to seeing the energy in each and every one of you. We're going to start off our performances happening in a short while, and I'm looking at a lot of energy coming from your side. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. May I request all of you to please take your seats. Thank you very much. And with this, we look forward to a wonderful year ahead of great prosperity, growth, excellence, and incapable teamwork. I would like to request you all to bow down along with me to the deity of all starts and the Lord of all prosperity, Ganesha. Without his name, we cannot proceed towards success, and without his presence, we cannot succeed. So let's dedicate few moments ahead to thank and seek the blessing of Lord Ganesha. Hello. Thank you very, very much. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a huge round of applause? Can we all put our hands together?
Thank you, Mr. Andre Move, for presenting the award. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go ahead with the entertainment portion of this evening. To introduce you to this sequence, let me call back on stage Mr. Gavin Phillips.
Good evening, everybody. I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Our first entertainment performance for you is ready. We all know India is a beautiful country, and people from different parts of the country have a different way of living, have a different style of dressing, have a different food habits that they are. So today, we're going to show you all different parts of the country on one platform here today, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm only going to call on our performers if you applaud and welcome them. As I said, they're all your colleagues, they're all your friends who you work with. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome our first act for you, Colors of India. Wow, what an energetic performance. Ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a huge round of applause? Can I see all of your hands put together for this amazing act? Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, moving ahead, before we have the next act on stage, I've got some gifts to be given away. And my friend is right here with the gifts. So this is what I'm going to do. It's a very simple format. I think we can be a little loud. Come on. Are we ready? Brilliant. Okay. I want any person who can come right here in front of me and show me if you are carrying your company iCard. The first person who comes with their company iCard, I give you a gift. No questions asked. Can I have the chocolates, please? Or the gifts. First person, first person. Yes, sir. Your good name?
My name is Dhananjay.
Let's give Dhananjay, Mr. Dhananjay, a huge round of applause. And, sir, this is a small gift for you. Our first winner for this evening.
Is that it?
For now, that's it. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so this is how many married couples do we have here? I just want to see how many married couples do we have here. Okay, so this is how it goes. This is how it goes. This is how it goes. Ma'am, you're raising your hands. Where are your husbands? Husbands are sitting there, and you're not sitting alone over here. So your wife is there. What confidence! I like it. Wife udhar baiti hai. Okay, so this is what I would like the first happily married couple to join me here. I give you a gift. The gift for the most, or the first couple was a happily married couple. Bro, any couple, the first, ma'am, your husband has to be here. No, the first couple, happily married couple who's here. Okay. Okay, I've just got one question for you all. I've got one question. Yes. This gift belongs to you, no matter what. Oh, thank you. Can we give them a huge round of applause? One question, I'm sure the question is in everybody's mind. You're happily married?
Yes, yes.
Yeah? One question. If you're happily married, why is ma'am sitting here with another lady and you're sitting with all your friends?
That's not to disturb them. You know, they are having some good chats, you know.
Ah, so you don't want to be a part of that gossip.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, okay. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please be seated. So, ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a huge round of applause? But for now, we're going to have a set of musicians who are going to come up on stage and set this stage on fire. It's a music medley old. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we welcome the next act for you on stage. Can I see you putting your hands together, ladies and gentlemen? Can we all clap together? Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow, what entertaining performers that we have here. Wow, I'm just curious. I know all of them have a very tight, hectic work schedule. How do they remove time? And they were really amazing. Do you think they were really good? Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Do you think they were good? Do you think they were good? You know, when any artist comes on stage and they perform any act, we being a part of the audience, we need to appreciate that. Can we give all of them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Moving ahead to the next set of awards, may I request Tanya to please come up on stage and take the awards ahead. Thank you. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you very, very much. Okay, before we go ahead to the next segment or the next act for this evening, how many amongst all of you here are Bollywood fans? Any Bollywood fans in the house? If you're Bollywood fans, can you make some noise? I can't see your hands. Can you make some noise? Okay, only Bollywood fans, can you make some noise? Okay, how many Bollywood fans do we have in the house? Okay, so this next performance is for only all the Bollywood fans in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the next act. That is the Bollywood act. Zordar taaliyon ke saath, can we welcome the next Bollywood act on stage? Can I see you putting your hands together?
So, thank you everyone. And with that gratitude being expressed, we now come to the end of our entertainment here this evening. But this end just marks the beginning to many, many more years of success, dedication, and hard work.
Ladies and gentlemen, this entire evening was a roller coaster ride which I really enjoyed. My name is MC Gavin, the Talking Machine. Thank you very much for all your love. I love the energy and thank you very, very much. The dance floor is going to get open in a while. Thank you and see you all very soon. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.